boys and girls.
Wait, shut up. I said it's a normal conversation.
I don't know, I mean, we hardly do that over him.
No, we really do not do that. Yeah, she's in a laughing fit. Wait for her to wait up. Just a minute. This is Rachel's socks. And her shoes.
Yeah, and this is my Converse. Do you like them? I didn't think so. Yeah, I've calmed down. Getting laughing. Stop stalling me like that, you pervert.
Feet. 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 Feet.
Hand. Hand.
Hand. Hand. Hand. Hand. Hand.
Hand.
Hand. Stylus. Stylus. Oh wait, wait, wait. I couldn't. Nose. 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 Good idea. Good idea.
Hand.
This is Rachel.
What are you doing, you pedophile?
Yeah, that's her head. Just there.
What is it?
Oh, it's gone! Wait, that's your forehead over there. That's your forehead. Don't punk me! You've no idea how wrong that sounds.
Shush, we don't want to teach a little female some inappropriate language.
I do.
Yeah, I like that video that I showed you on YouTube one time.
What was?
The one with that baby in his cot with that doll, remember?
No.
Oh, I'll have to show you again and give you a reminder.
Are you telling me?
I'm trying to hide.
It's a dog! It's a dog! It's a dog! Woo!
It's going to eat us!
Oh, I can't hello, 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 hello.
Hello.
Oh, hello, hello. You're smelling my leg.
No, she isn't.
She was. Past tense, Rachel.
What's past tense?
Don't.
None.
Oh, okay.
I'm not that stupid.
You're not?
Shut up.
Oh. Ah!
Hello.
This is the dog.
Yawning.
Oh, I missed the yawn.
Aww.
Oh, how cute is that?
She's just like us. She's wearing eyeliner.
Yep. Eyeliner. Emo. Emo.
Emo much. We should give her a pair of doggy Converses and get her like a few band t-shirts as well.
Yep, yep, yep. Okay, I thought he was going nowhere.
Yeah, we're just
Random.
yeah, it's very bored, so we started making that.
Very bored is. You. Okay, what are we doing now?
Wait a sec, wait a sec. Believe me, I will rate you, and even you.
Oh, that doesn't that sound fun? Dog.